Okay, this is not a video test, this is a sound test. Recorded a good message yesterday and was in my opinion, but should have checked the sounds before I sent it out. But I pray in the name of Jesus that this next video that I send out will be protected and covered by His blood. But the devil is determined for me not to get out the gospel of Jesus, which I am not ashamed of. You can probably hear some sounds in the background. It's my grandchildren playing with some trains that they received for Christmas. They love trains, especially the youngest one. But enough said, this is just a sound test for now, and let's see how it turned out.